Return to your school's intranet homepage by typing home.campbell.k12.va.us. Again, make sure it's in Student, and then scroll down until you find Student Work Archive. Once you do, click on it and sign in. Once you log in, you'll come to this screen, and you will find and choose File. Again, make sure you are on Downloads and click on the copy of your CCPS 2020-2021 Writing Performance Task. Once you've done so, click Upload. Once you see it appear down here, you have successfully uploaded it into your Student Work Archive.